One of the major complications of implant dentistry are mucosal complications that lead to peri-implant bone loss and soft tissue deficiencies and aesthetic as well as functional problems. In my module, I will discuss utilizing the VISTA technique to correct peri-implant mucosal deficiencies that improve the health and aesthetic aspects of peri-implant tissue. My name is Homa Zadeh. I'm one of the instructors of Dentalhow.online. If you take my course, you're going to receive 3 different items. You will receive my pre-recorded lectures. You will receive pre-recorded hands-on workshops. You will receive, thirdly, all of the materials and the same model from bone models that shows you how to perform the procedure and get practical experience with the topic that will be discussed. At Dentalhow, you will learn online and practice at home. Thank you.